Hello students, today we are going to learn 5th standard social. Lesson number 1, the globes and maps. Dear students, welcome in class 2. Already you have learned in previous class what is the globe and important parallels of latitude. So dear students, today we will learn meridians or longitudes. Dear students, this is the diagram of longitudes. With the help of diagram, we have to understand meridians or longitudes. Dear students, you know that main direction, this is north, south, east and west. The lines that run from North Pole to South Pole are called meridians or longitudes. They are semicircle. Dear students, you can see on this diagram, they are semicircles. All the meridians are of the same length. This is the prime meridian. Is numbered 0 degree longitude. This line is called prime meridian. Is numbered 0 degree longitude. It is also called Greenwich meridian. This prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. Dear students, once again I have to explain with the help of this diagram meridians or longitudes. The lines that run from North Pole to South Pole are called meridians or longitudes. The lines that run from North Pole to South Pole are called meridians or longitudes. They are semicircle. You can see they are semicircle. All the meridians are of the same length. This is the line prime meridian, and this prime meridian is numbered 0 degree longitudes, and this prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. Dear students, there are 360 meridians of longitude. 360 meridians of longitudes. Meridians are marked 180 degree east and 180 degree west of the prime meridian. This is the line prime meridian. So meridians are marked 180 degree east and 180 degree west of the prime meridian, and the international date line lies on this meridian. An international date line lies on this meridian. Now we have to learn about grid. What is grid? Okay, so grid, it means a series of the lines have been drawn from North Pole to South Pole and east to west. These two sets of the lines forming a grid, and it helps us to locate a place accurately. To locate places on the surface of the globe, we need a reference point. So, a series of the lines have been drawn from north to south, east to west. These two sets of lines forming a grid, and this grid helps us to locate a place accurately. That's why grid is very important for the study of the earth. Dear students, you can see on this diagram of grid, the lines, a series of the lines have been drawn from north to south and east to west. These two sets of line forming a grid. The latitudes, this is the latitudes. These lines that run from east to west is called latitudes. The latitudes and the longitudes form a network of the line or a grid on the globe and help us in locating places accurately on the global grid. Dear students, once again I have to explain latitudes and longitudes. The lines that run from east to west are called latitudes. the lines that run from north to south are called longitudes. There are 5 important parallels of latitude, and there are 360 longitudes. Okay. Then this is the equator. The equator divides the earth in 2 equal parts. So 5 important parallels of latitudes: Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and this is equator. Now we have to write the value of these latitudes. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, and equator is marked 0 degree latitude. This is the prime meridian. This prime meridian also numbered or marked 0 degree longitudes. So dear students, in homework you have to draw these 2 diagrams. Diagram of latitude and one diagram of longitudes. Okay. So in homework you have to draw these diagrams. Okay. Thank you. And again dear students, I will send you the important notes of this class. So in the home you have to write all these points in your copy. Okay. Thank you.